What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a brand new video today on cryptocurrency, mainly focusing on Davor coin. For this video, things are looking to be on the up and up once again with the DAV coin. We currently have a valuation of one DAV being around $110, and more so on the exchange, things are really taking off. The current trade price going on in the market is $121, so things will be picking up. And speaking of picking up, I was able to cash out most of my DAV, or I should say all of my DAV that was in my wallet that was not yet staked, for about half a Bitcoin, or I should say 0.55 Bitcoin. I mean, once I actually can prove it here. So I went ahead and got out 0.55 Bitcoin. If we take out this number and do BTC to USD, I made a withdrawal of approximately $6,331.97. That of which I have sent over to my Binance.com account, and I decided to unload a half a Bitcoin on Substratum. I think that's going to be a good pick for not just being an investment, but a really cool project overall regarding decentralized web browsing and freedom of censorship and all that good jazz. My rationale for buying it now, price is still down. I believe I bought it at what I believe is, I don't have the Satoshi price memorized, but I think I got it around $1.43 per US dollar per unit. And now's a good time to buy it, as I believe China's still waking up. Korea's still waking up too a little bit. And I expect the price to rise now that the FUD from South Korea has dissipated. The threats of regulatory pressure were coming from inside traders within the government, so that's always cool. So that should get Substratum going up. I might short trade it on around, if I can get it to around 240, maybe 260, that'd be cool. Quick profit to be made. It's gonna nearly double me up off half a Bitcoin, so that'd be rad. Otherwise, nothing much else to say. DAV is getting really popular right now since BitConnect has gone down. That's why it's recovering so quickly from the crash earlier this week. We've got the likes of Craig Grant and Trevon James promoting DAV now, saying it's better than BitConnect. Yeah, it really is. But just watch out, guys, because they bring on a lot of hate, a lot of haters, and things can get funny on DAV. So, of course, I'm not your financial advisor, but what I'm going to do is hold on to this DAV that I have staked. I will have it unstaked by Saturday. If I can get the DAV price once again at around $180, maybe even $200, if things are really, really super duper optimistic, I'm going to cash it out. I mean, that would be a good amount of profit for me, being that I bought this DAV at around, I believe, 93 per unit. And alongside that, I've still got a pretty decent sized lend, making me a good amount of money. So I'm still doing the lend program for what I started in late December, and that of which is making me, based on the average last 7 days of interest, about $9,600 a month. So, I guess I could say it's not super exciting, but still a shitload of money. So, can't complain about that, certainly. So that's all I've got, guys. Like, subscribe, unsubscribe, hate me, leave a comment on Reddit. Let me know what you think. Thanks.